Next up, we have the wonderful Sarah Emanuel, who is an associate professor in the Department of Theological Studies, where she teaches courses in biblical texts and contexts. Her current favorite course to teach is Bible and Comedy. She has published 6 articles, 5 book chapters, 22 public-facing features, and 3 books, the most recent of which was published this week, titled Wrestling with Paul, the Apostle, His Readers, and the Fate of the Jews. Let's give it up for her.
Yeah. Okay. As an undergrad, I wanted to be the kind of professor who inspired me, the bold thinker, the intellectual boundary defier, the energetic pedagogue who kept their office door open. Grad school was necessary, but I found myself at a crossroads. I could attend Yale, an Ivy League with an abundance of wealth and reputation, or, among others, Drew, a place few even know about. When at Yale's admitted student day, I felt like such an outsider to the very ethos of the program that I blocked out by early afternoon. Still, I said to myself, while buying a Yale coffee mug, of course I would be going there. But then a mentor of mine, a bold thinker and boundary defier who had her office door open, helped me see that Drew was a place where I could engage and push intellectual boundaries as the person I was and the person I wanted to become. So Drew is where I went, and now here I am, with a few seconds to say, wealth and reputation, which is to say privilege, can of course help you, but it can also make you lose yourself on the way to becoming the person you want to be. If you ever found yourself at a similar crossroads, know this: my office door is open. Inside even is a 15-year-old mug that may just remind you of what you want.